Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to group objects. So as example I will insert shape. In here I will create the rectangle, and the next I will insert again the ellipse into this point. You can move a bit. Now to group these two objects, you can select the two objects. Don't forget to press shift button to select multiple. Right click, go to group, and then click group. The object will be automatically grouped. You also can group with image, like in there I will insert the picture, and then you can set for the layout option into this point. I will resize the picture and then move into here. As example, you can scale again, like into here. And if you want to group, you can select these two objects, right click again, and then choose group tools. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to group objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.